Hello students, welcome to this session. In the previous session we have discussed about the important keywords. After learning about PERT, CPM and Management Information System, so to finish off this lesson we'll just summarize what we have learned throughout the chapter of controlling. So controlling is a process of ensuring that activities conform to the planned activities, which means simply that the actual activities are going as per the plan of standard activities. So controlling obviously depends on the planning process. So planning is the first step and controlling is the second. Therefore, once you plan some activity, controlling makes sure that the activities are happening actually in the real life according to the plan. Everything is going according to the plan. The importance of managerial control lies in the fact that it helps in accomplishing organizational goals. Controlling also helps in judging accuracy of standards, ensuring efficient utilization of resources, boosting employee morale, creating an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization, and coordinating different activities so that they all work together in one direction to meet targets. So it means that the controlling process has for different goals. First one will be to understand and to make sure that the activities or the performances of these employees or departments are up to the standards or up to the goal or up to the planning and everything. Second thing is to ensure that the resources and the time is being utilized in a proper manner and nothing is wasted or underutilized. And third thing is boosting employee morale. Means it's once the controlling process is implemented and it makes sure that the planning activities are performed as per the plan, the management incentivizes the employee to for working and achieving such activity as per the plan, whether it be a big project or a starting of new business, new firm, new product, whatever it is. Once controlling ensures that the activities have been performed well and good, the management might try to incentivize the employees. So it boosts the employees' morale and it gives them confidence and so on. So it also creates an atmosphere of order and discipline. Without controlling in any organization, there will be chaos. Even if it's not chaos, it will be a disorder. Therefore, controlling is necessary. Some sort of controlling is necessary to keep the people in control. We learned that about companies implementing surveillance networks like CCTV cameras and all, and how the employees might not be welcoming very much about those things. So that's another goal. And the last one is it also helps in organizing and coordinating different activities so that they all work together. So without maybe controlling, it is the management's duty to organize all the departments together to make sure that and to be a bridge between them. But if you control the activities and if you implement, if you direct the departments to do certain tasks according to the plan, the departments will have no option but to work together and coordinate in working. Therefore, the controlling implements such idea. Controlling suffers from certain limitations also. An organization has no control over external factors. We learned that too. The external factors are not controlled by the organization, only the internal factors. External factors being change in technology, government plans, competitors' actions, so on and so forth. Controlling system of an organization may face resistance from employee, like we saw surveillance method and all is not very well welcomed. Therefore, it's not its controlling is supposed to face some resistance from the employees, and sometimes controlling turns out to be a costly affair. We also know that since controlling is not exactly a standard procedure, and controlling, it takes a lot to implement control. Sometimes businesses outsource the whole controlling process. So the controlling company obviously charge them, the businesses, to implement such controlling processes. Therefore, these kind of uh, managing techniques takes a lot of time and money to implement. Moreover, it's not always possible for the manufacturer to set quantitative standards. To set quantitative standards means to set a target number on what to do, how to do, when to do, and everything. So it's not possible to set a target number on everything that is non-quantifiable. The process of the work control involves setting performance standards, measurement of actual performance, company. That's the step-by-step process of how the controlling standard works. So it starts with setting up performance standards. Performance standards are something that is used to measure how the company is performed in the how the company is expected to perform in the upcoming year or month or quarter year or even a 5 year period. And after setting the performance standard, the controlling is concerned with the measurement of actual performance to measure how the company has actually performed with respect to the standards, and then comparing the actual and standard performance, and then we analyze the deviation, how much the actual performance has deviated from the standard. Deviation means difference in performance or underperformance, even overperformance also. So if there are any underperformance, the controlling authority has to take corrective action. So that's where we have learned the critical point control, management by exception, and everything.